Folks, I know I talk a lot about my Lishansky roots, my connection to the city of Metulah. Here I am in the United States. Unfortunately, I am not able to build and rehabilitate the city of Metulah, but what do you know? And I meet a rabbi from Israel, Rabbi Shlomo Ra'anan. He is busy with rebuilding the north after all of the Hezbollah missiles rained down on Metulah, on Kiryat Shmona, on the entire north. He's doing that. He gets architects, he gets volunteers, and they rehabilitate. Engineers. What else?
Modedim.
People doing measuring.
And we try to help whoever needs. On the Lebanon border, we try to help them. We have many customers in Metulah, in Kiryat Shmona, basically all over the north. And now we are called to help the big cities, Rishon LeZion, Rehovot, the major cities that suffer from the Iranian missile, and apartments and houses that got damaged. We try to help as much as we can. We give architect to every family and the designers, whoever.
And is there a charge for this, or it's free of charge for these people?
It's free of charge.
Wow, amazing. So he brings volunteers to, first they thought they just need to rebuild the north after Hezbollah's missiles. Unfortunately, then you had the war with Iran, so much destruction. We all saw it, Bat Yam, Ashkelon, all over. And he does that. He helps people rebuild. He finds the architects, the engineers, everything that's needed to help build towns. And folks, there is no bigger mitzvah in the world than the mitzvah of rebuilding the land of Israel, Yishuv Eretz Yisrael,
and literally Yishuv Eretz Yisrael, and to strengthen our country in one of the most difficult times.
Wow!
And I call everybody, come, join the Shiva Tzion Ainu Kecholmim.
Wow. So if you're an architect, if you're an engineer, or if you're just willing to, get yourself dirty and work and paint and whatever it is, that's what he's doing. He's rebuilding the land. So I'm so thankful, especially for his building of Metulah, but also everything else that he's done. Thank you.
And maybe I will take the opportunity. The mayor of Metulah asked me to help him to build a shul in the north part of Metulah, in the north of the north. So whoever is interested, he can call me, and we will share, and maybe combine efforts, and we will actually accomplish it.
Wow, amazing! All right, like he said, Shivat Tzion Ainu Kecholmim. We're now in a rebuilding of Tzion, of Zion. So really, thank you, Rabbi.